Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert any video into anime. And right now, as you can see in the background, that guy's dancing with different filters. So here are some more examples. So as you can see right here, this is a beautiful woman. I think it's on a farm. And if you play it right there, it's a video, right? And then if you convert this one, it should look like this. Pretty awesome. The movement, everything in here is exactly the same as the one from the original video. Pretty awesome, right? So on this video, I'm going to discuss how to do this with 3 applications. So we'll start with the first one. The first one will be called GoEnhance AI. To go here, simply type on this link, www.GoEnhanceAI. So before we get started, I want to show you the pricing for this one. Let me just go to it right now. And here are the pricing or the plans inside GoEnhance. Currently, I have the free, which is going to be $0 per month. Technically, 45 tokens for the free one. And then for the basic, it's going to be 600. And then it will be 1,600 and so on and so forth. Anyway, with that being said, let's get started. Now, once you're here, I just want you to click on this button. Let's try GoEnhance for free. Or this button right there on the top right section. And you should be open up on the editing platform. I'll see you once inside. And this is going to be the editing platform inside GoEnhance. As you can see right here, this is a video, right? For the sake of the discussion, I'm going to show you some more examples. Please pay attention on the movement of the woman. And then once we play on the result of the Daphne cartoon, let's see if it will look like. As you can see right there, everything is exactly the same. Even better, right? Anyway, once you're here, please take note we only have 30 tokens left. Each generation costs 15 tokens. So I'm just gonna type in here or drag a file. And by the way guys, a quick tip for you guys, it should not be 30 MB larger or at least 5 seconds video. That's the maximum for it. So I'm just gonna use this sample video we got. I think I got this from Pixabay. So this is gonna be your sample video all throughout this discussion. I'm gonna utilize this as a source video to see how it looks like across all applications. And now once we're back here, I'm just gonna upload the video. As you can see right there, it's currently uploading. While uploading, let's choose a style. We can have cute anime style, illustration, pop art, Japanese right here, and so much more. I think I'm gonna go with cute anime style here. Simply choose 3 seconds, and I'm gonna generate right now. This will take roughly 6 minutes, and I'll get to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be the original, right? This is the one we use. And now this is gonna be the results. How awesome, right? And that being said, again guys, this is just limited to 3 seconds. But you can go 5 seconds for the maximum for the free trial. If you wanna go for 10 and 20, you need to purchase the paid plan. And let's move on with the next application. And so, before we move on to the next video or next application to create anime videos, on this option right here, you can regenerate or download, even upscale. For example, you're not satisfied with the results right here, you can simply regenerate. And then if you click on the video, these 3 buttons, you can download it also here or this option right there. Now let's move on with the next application. For the next one, this is going to be called DomoAI. And right now, there is no built-in website on how to use this one or basically to utilize DomoAI. It is currently being utilized inside Discord. So just click on this option and you'll open up this website wherein you can just simply continue to Discord and I'll see you once inside. And now basically, this is going to be the inside of DomoAI. And right now, there are a lot of things going on here. For example, generate 1 channel up to generate 11. Those are so much channels. So I suggest let's just create our own. Much like this one right here. As you can see, I have DomoAI, Midjourney, and even Noise bot right there. To add any certain AI in your servers, first, you must have a server of course. Simply click on the plus icon and create your own. Once you have created your own server, go back to DomoAI and make sure this option for the member list is shown. Right click on the DomoAI, go to Profile, Add App, and just choose the server that we want to add the AI. Now going back on my server, let me just look for it. Perfect right there. So this is a sample I made from before. I'm gonna create a new one. So I'm just gonna type in video here. Video is gonna be the command for DomoAI. Choose a sample video. I think I'm gonna choose this one. Now before I play it up and enable it, I just want to show you how it looks like. Before I enable it on Discord, I want to show you the original version of it. So right now, this is a stock video I got from Pixabay. It's a free stock image platform where you can get free photos and videos. So please remember this video of a girl dancing. Let me now enable it and add it on Discord. So choosing that one up, and simply on here, type in anime. Click on enter. And with that, you just have to wait a minute. So before you officially start it up, you need to choose a style. There are a lot of styles going on here, but I think, for me, detail anime is the best. Generate for 3 seconds, 5 and 10, or even 20. But this one is for pro subscription only. Speaking about pro subscription, I'm going to tackle it later on, but I'm going to start this one first, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, here's going to be our video. Again, this is the original one. And right now, this is going to be the output. If I play right there, as you can see, it's a very good tool. Even though it's a very short video, since we only have the free trial, it's a very good tool to utilize, right? And speaking about trial and paid subscription, DomoAI already canceled those free trials version as of now. So to subscribe, here is the plan. For the pro plan, we have the $50. I think these are unlimited generations in relax mode, and 3,000 credits for the fast mode. For the basic plan, it's $10, and the most popular one, standard, is $20. So please check them out, and then I suggest really look into DomoAI. It's a really good tool. I really vouch for it. Now moving on with the last tool we have, I'll see you right there. So speaking for the last tool, we're gonna go for LensGo AI. I know you're familiar with this because I've made a previous video about it. And right now there is a fairly new feature called style transfer. So let's try it out and I'll meet you inside of LensGo. So currently this is what inside of the style transfer. And with this I have a free token of 85. And let's try this route now. I'm going to upload a video of the woman dancing right here. But before I upload it, I want to show you how it looks like. So this is going to be the original source video. So please memorize it, be familiar with it, and how it really looks like. I also got this from Pixabay, by the way. And with that being said, let me just add it up on the LensGo AI. With that being said, choose a style. Is it Pixar, Ghibli, Walking Dead, or 3D anime? I think I'm gonna go with Ghibli. I really love the Studio Ghibli anime. For the change area, I'm gonna go with all, so the background will be included. And for the edit range, I'm gonna go for the 5 seconds only. And now I'm gonna generate the video, and I'll see you once it's finished. So welcome back to the video. Right now, here's gonna be a result. Before I play it, I just wanna show you the comparison on how they look like, even without playing them both. Let me just pause this one and start from the beginning. And let me just place them side by side each other. Pretty awesome, right? Even the movement, even that little thing on her legs is caught up. The background is now water, which is mostly Studio Ghibli. And now let's play this output. And right there, as you can see, it's a pretty cool design. It's a pretty cool audio and video. The only problem I see here will be the watermark. And to finish that one off and remove that one, of course, you want to go for the Pro version, which is standard for $6 per month. That is yearly. For the monthly, it will be $9, okay? And now if you're satisfied with this one, you can simply download it on that option right there. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.